Are you tired of being a terrible person with no redeeming qualities whatsoever? Well, I have a perfect solution just for you. The Joke Book. This book is filled with so many jokes that you'll have every friend imaginable. You'll be the coolest kid in school, in fact. Knock, knock. Who's there? Les who? Les, get out of here. Isn't that funny? Ha 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 ha. You're right, that is funny. Tell me another one. But beware, because when you run out of jokes, you're back at square one. What a loser.
To buy this part today, just go online to shipmerats.com. It is $9,999 plus tax from every country, by the way. You can't probably even understand what I'm saying because this is a sped up recording of my voice, so I'm just going to stop talking now.